This is Interchange English, Grammar and Composition, Class 9. Chapter 20. Postcards. Postcards are a great and personal way of sending greetings to your friends and loved ones while you are traveling abroad. People often write and send postcards from the destinations they visit. However, you can write a postcard from your hometown to the people who are far away. When you are away from home on a holiday, it can be nice to write some postcards to let people see what the place you are in is like, to let them know that you are thinking of them. It is always better to turn your travel clicks into personalized postcards for friends and family at home by writing your text message on the other side. However, ready-made postcards are also available. Postcards are pretty informal, and thus you do not need to worry about writing long and formal sentences. Contractions are very common in postcard writing. Instead of writing "I am having a nice time here," you can simply write "having a nice time" or "we're having a nice time here." Look at what a postcard looks like. The postcard is a rectangular piece of paper with on the left side it's empty and on the right side there are a few lines. And there's a space for stamp on the top right corner. Read the following postcards. There are a total of 3 postcards shown. In the first postcard, on the left side there's a small letter, and on the right side there's the name and the address on the bottom right side, and on the top right side there's a stamp. On the left side the paragraph says, "Dear Rishika, I'm on a holiday at last. My dad has bought a cottage in Chitwan. It's really beautiful. We've visited Soraha and I've taken lots of photographs. I haven't read any books because I've been very busy. What about you? Have you made any plans for your holiday? Write soon. Love, Sabina." In the second postcard, on the right side, the top right side, there's a post stamp, and on the bottom right side, there's the name and address. The left side, there's a long paragraph. It says, "Dear David, Ireland is so amazing. Today we visited the cliffs of Moher, which are big cliffs looking out over the Atlantic Ocean. We have eaten a lot of stew and potatoes. We also visited a town called Cobb, where the Titanic stopped before it hit the iceberg. Ireland is very wet and rainy. I hope you're having fun in the UK. Love, Jenny." In the last postcard, on the right side, there's the name and the address, and in the bottom right side, there's the post stamp. The left side, there's a paragraph that says, "Dear Grandma, I'm on a holiday in London. There are lots of things to see and do. On Monday we saw the Big Ben. On Tuesday we went to the London Eye. On Wednesday we saw the Tower Bridge. On Thursday we went on a big red bus. On Friday we went to the park. On Saturday we saw the Buckingham Palace, but we didn't see the Queen. Today is Sunday. It's time to go home. See you soon. Love, Lucy." The following template may be helpful. "Hi," and then the name of the friend, neighbor, or colleague. "We're having a great one or wonderful or fantastic time here in the place. The weather is hot or sunny or perfect, and we're spending our days on the beach or sightseeing, relaxing, or exploring the local area by the pool, etc. The food is interesting or spicy or pretty good, and other people here are friendly or unfriendly or great. See you on the day you get back. Love," and then your name. Writing help. 1. Start your postcard. Dear plus name. 2nd. Write your key message. Use the present continuous to say you're enjoying the holiday. Use the present perfect to say what you have done. Use going to for your future plans. 3rd. A good way to finish a postcard. Wish you were here or write soon. 4th. Finish your postcard. Love plus your name. XX or kisses. 5. Write the recipient's name, address on the right side of the card. Don't forget to write down the country if you're sending it to or from another country. 6. Leave space for the stamp. Show what you know. 1. You're on a holiday. Write a postcard to your best friend. Look at these questions for help. Have you visited any places? Have you been to a restaurant? Have you seen something interesting? Have you eaten or drunk anything unusual? Have you met new people? Have you bought any souvenirs? 2. Write a postcard from your town or village to a friend living in Japan. Include the answers to these questions. What size is your town or village? What is the nicest part of your town or village? Where do you go in the evening? Write a postcard to a friend about your holiday in a historical city. 4. Write a postcard to a classmate about your vacation. 5. Write a postcard to your cousin about a visit to a zoo. 6. Where is the most interesting place you have traveled to? Did you send a postcard when you were there? Imagine that you're visiting that place now. Write a postcard to your family back home. 7. Look at the picture on the front of the postcard. There's a picture shown of Lumbini, the birthplace of Siddhartha Gautam. Imagine you are on a holiday. Write about what you're doing, what it is like, and if you are enjoying the holiday. 8. Imagine you are on a holiday in Moscow with some friends. Ask yourself some questions to get your ideas along, like, how did you get there? What is this place you are staying in like? What is the weather like? What kind of things have you done or would like to do? Where did you visit? Now, write a postcard to your class teacher back at your school. End of chapter 20.